Hi, I'm Gloria from Sawmill World. This is the drying kiln of our factory. This machine is used for the drying of various wood as well as the sterilization, insecticide, and heat treatment of wood. For this machine, we use the heat recycle system to reduce the cost and shorten the heating time. For the material, the indoor is made of the anti-corrosion and high temperature resistant special aluminum. The middle is the thermal insulation fiber cotton, and the outdoor is made of the color steel plate. And this machine has the fuel, which includes the core wood pellet and wood chips. And for this machine, it has the this machine has the steam generator, which is used for ensure the humidity indoor and prevent the wood from cracking and deforming.